It's interesting you raised that issue of production difficulties. I just want to ask you from a cost perspective, you have said in the past that you've been able to pass on the higher costs to your consumers. Is that still the case? And do you expect that you will still be able to maintain that pricing power going forwards?
I mean, first of all, we had the trouble in the last quarters that we had preceding increases, especially on steel, aluminum, energy, transportation. And we are now able to recover some of that through our price increases and therefore the good second quarter results. Going forward, I see still a huge inflationary pressure on our costs, and therefore we have, unfortunately, to maintain those price increases.
And when it comes to that supply-demand match, I see that this morning you said in a statement that supply and not demand is still the limiting factor. When it comes to the demand side of things, just how far does your order backlog go at this point?
We still have an absolute record order backlog, especially in Europe and North America. In both markets, more than a six-digit order backlog. I could see that this situation continues long into 2023. We still could deliver far more trucks if we would have the necessary parts.
What's happening in your Asia business? I see that in your guidance you maintained your full year outlook for the group, but lowered your returns target for Trucks Asia.
In Asia, there is one market which is not as strong as everything else, and that is China. In China, the second quarter of this year was 70% lower than the quarter last year in 2021. And with this massive reduction, instead of a gain like last year in China, we posted a loss this year in China with our joint venture together with Photon, and that loss had a huge impact on our Asian results.
Sir, one of the big issues that we've been talking about on the show for the last month is rising energy costs, and particularly as it pertains to German industry. I just wonder, first of all, how exposed a company like yours is to rising energy costs, and then secondly, what your assumption is for energy prices as we get into the German winter.
I mean, the energy is one of the major components. I mentioned steel, aluminum in the past. Now it's energy and transportation has impact on our cost base, and it's a reason why we had to increase the prices of our products. I see it continuing, especially through the winter, and its earliest will be eased when Germany has a long-term solution for the natural gas. But it might come in as liquid gas from other areas of the world, more expensive than the Russian gas. And so it will stay here forever. But that means we have an inflation in Germany that is not going away so fast.